I will explain how to make tape.
Main ingredients to make tape: 1 yeast and 2 cassava. To make a tape singkong, step 1: prepare 1 kg cassava, then peel and wash several times until clean and cut cassava. After then, steam the cassava until it is half done. After steam, put it in a container. And wait for it to cool. After being cool, give the yeast evenly. Then put into a container that has been covered with banana leaves and the leaves to the perfect ferments. Then just wait 2 or 3 days. And this tape is made.